Welcome everyone, this is Vaishali, and if you are watching my videos for the first time, so I like to make plant videos, especially the plants which are used for decoration and the kitchen garden plants. So let's get going here. So in this video I have chosen this huge snake plant which is with me for quite a long time and it's a bit heavy. So what we are going to do. So the concept is that I am going to cut this plant into a bit size. I shouldn't be saying bite size. These are going to be small gift size plants and I am going to place them in these beautiful planters and these can be used as gift, plant gifts, green gifts for the festive season which you can share with your relatives, your friends, your loved ones. And definitely, plants are the best gifts, and everybody likes to have them. And if you are going to give such a beautiful plant to anyone, I don't think anyone is going to say no, or it will be possible for him to say no to you. So let's get started. So the first task is put this heavy planter on this desk. Yeah, so it is here now, and the next thing is we have to get out this plant out from the container, and it's going to be really a tough job. So let's start. I have intentionally put this plant in this shallow container. Yeah, it is easy now because yesterday I have watered it a bit, and as you can see here that the roots have been covered all over, right? So it is very tightly packed by the roots. And yeah, now the winters are approaching, so this is not actually the right time to do the propagation or to cut the plants. Definitely it is not going to grow, but this is snake plant, and this is one of the you can say the super maintenance plant we should be saying, and it will be easy for it even in this weather, in this harsh weather to survive. It is not going to dry, and the only problem will be that it will be difficult for him to grow. So, but it is going to survive, and it will do well. Certainly, it is going to do well. So don't worry. So let's get started. So this is a very huge plant which I have maintained for a quite long time. Yeah, today it is going to be quite dirty and messy, and I have to do lots of cleaning after the video shoot. Yeah, so let's get going now. So yes, here are the small plants, and I'm going to put them out. Yeah, so yes, I need to loosen the soil first, and I will like to share that some points about Sansevieria, that through root propagation it is quite easy to propagate this plant. Yes, I could separate out one of the root, and this is one of the beautiful portion, and a small leaf is coming out, so I am going to cut it out here. It's fine. So yeah, some people do propagate it at the same time, or we can let it dry for a few hours, and then also we can put it in the soil. So I'm having this container ready with me, so we can place the roots properly. Yes, and here we can add the soil. Is ready. So one of the plant is ready. We need to put more soil to fix up the roots. This planter, I suppose it is a bit smaller size, but yes, when we will water it, and as soon as the roots will start growing, it is going to work out better. So one of them I got ready. Then the next one, I'm going to take out all of them, and I'm going to put them in different containers, and For this season I have got very beautiful planters, many of them, and yes, so this is a bit job, and yes, there is lots of soil. Definitely the season is better for propagation for any of the plant is summer or when there is better humidity, and in winters most of the plants their growth gets slow or some of them starts growing. So here I am ready with few more, and I need to separate it from the soil. Yes, so this I will take out without the cutter. So this is one more, so I am going to collect it here, and later on we will put them in the planters. Yeah, this is very pretty. You see, here are these three beautiful leaves. So that can go in any of the container. It will look amazingly good. So there is one baby plant. I will put them in one of the container which is already having a big plant. So I'm going to place it here. Yeah, these Sansevieria plants or snake plants, these are very easy to maintain. They are like the lazy people's plant, I should be saying. These are for the beginners, they are very good, and they don't require much light. Secondly, they don't require to be watered much. You can So Sansevieria, it is one of the plant which I should be saying that it is best for gift purposes. Sometimes like when it gets hard for us to find a gift for any occasion. So that time we can use snake plant as a gift. And secondly, if the person is not fond of plants, and if you are going to give him such a beautiful plant, he is going to definitely start loving plants. So let's start this propagation. Yeah, I got one more end, so where I can open up all these roots and I can have better portions of the plant. You can cut this plant, or you can get the smaller version of this plant and you can buy them, and you can give them as a good gift, as a green gift. So giving a plant as a gift is really a nice gesture, and especially when you are going to gift a plant which is with you for quite a long time, and it is like giving a part of yourself to somebody as a gift. Then yeah, I should get one more properly along with proper roots. And yes, I was talking about like a plant is a nice gift, and you can even purchase the smaller versions of such plant, and you can buy them, and you can use them as a gift. Hello. We started. So yes, so we are ready with some of these plants. So let's put up them here, and I would like to show you this one beautiful baby plant, and the roots are so beautiful. They are having a beautiful orange color, and it is very lovely. So if you are even like the water propagation or the water plants, you can put it in a transparent glass jar along with some papers, and you can see even the beautiful roots growing. And in addition to that, now we will put up these plants into the planters beautifully. These are going to grow up. I think this is going to be not suitable for this plant. I need to get a bigger container. Right, this is best. Yes, so there are many more which I have to take out, and I have to put them in the planter. and few I have done, so you can watch them here. And I have placed these two plants in a single planter. Here I have tried to place three plants in this big pot and few here. So the remaining one I have to now wind up. And by the time I am cleaning up all this mess, all this dirt which I have propagated here today, for joining me for the video, I will like to appreciate your concern, and I appreciate those who have subscribed to my channel. And to the other one who are watching this, if you have liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and keep sharing your opinion in the comment box. Happy festivities. Take care everyone. Bye bye. See you in the next video.